Electron Machine Electron Technology Company Limited is a large-scale enterprise group which is specialized in R&D and manufacturing various kinds of air compressor, vacuum pump, welding machine, cutting machine, electric appliance, etc. Located in Zhejiang Province, China, near with Shanghai and Ningbo Port. The production line including oil-free AC motor, oil-free DC brushless motor, V-type oil-free air compressor, screw air compressor. We have professional factory for screw air compressor in Anhui Province, China. Belt drive and direct drive, vacuum pump, AC and DC series, art pump, vehicle compressor, etc. Our product are CE, URL approved. For some product, we offer OEM and ODM service for free. Through strategic OEM partnerships in the majority of industrialized countries, we supply premier brands in the automotive, beverage, environmental, laboratory, and medical sectors. Our products have been exported around the world, including to the USA, Europe, Japan, and most of Asia. We are also the dominant OEM compressor manufacturer in China, especially in medical applications. All our products carry a standard 2-year warranty. In addition, some products have extended warranty up to 3 years. Consumable parts like piston ring, cylinder will not be covered by this warranty, but replacement parts can be purchased from us. HCEM, high-quality goods and service not only for the user to save more cost, while improving the effectiveness of equipment assets to meet the supply needs of different users in different conditions. Therefore, HCEM has become one of the most respected in industrial fields. Our goal is not only for professional in quality, focus on various oil-free air compressors, but also bring you a better life and realize win-win in the business cooperation with you.